So we look at this one here. There's 2 lots of 10, which is 20, and 7 ones, which is the 7 there. 20 and 7 makes 27. 2 lots of 10 make 20, there's our 20. 8 ones, there's our 8. 20 and 8 makes 28. 2 10s are 20. 9 ones are 9, there's our 20, there's our 9. Put them together, 29. And at the end, we've got 3 lots of 10. So we've got 10 and 10 is 20, there's our 10, 20. And there's 10. 10, 20 plus 10 is 30. Let's look over the page. Just move that so you can see it. Well done. Good listening. So we look at this one and it asks us how many cubes are there. So we've got, do you remember towers of 10? How many towers of 10 have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 towers of 10 and 3 towers of 10 make 30 and there's our 30 underneath. How many cubes here? Do you remember we can count in 2? Of course you can. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's our 8 underneath. Put them together and we've got our 38. And we can see here we've counted on from 30, 32, 34, 36, 38 to make 38. There are 38 cubes. How many red squares are there? And on this one we're using our 10 frames again. 10 cubes, 10 squares. And we've got 10 coloured in here, 10 coloured in there, 10 there and 10 there. So we can count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 tens are 40. We could show that using these cards. There's our 4 tens. There's our 0, 4 and a 0 is 40. There's no ones. That's our no ones, but there are 4 lots of 10. Okay. We can count in tens, but we could also count in fives. We're learning to count in fives and we're getting really good at it. So we've split up a 10, this into 2, and remember we said the top line is 5 because we know double 5 is 10, 2 5s are 10, and it's on our 10 frame. So we've got, count with me, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We have 40 red cubes, and here are the numbers: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Remember the numbers go 5 and then a 0 at the end and then a 5 at the end and a 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. This is a 0, that's a 5 at the end. Right, let's have a look at our guided practice. See if we can do these questions together. The first one says, how many cubes are there? And we're looking at these cubes. How many cubes are there in the picture? And we're told to count in tens, to count in fives, and count in twos. Let's try with tens. Where can we see a pattern of 10? That's right. This here, it's a bit like our 10 frame, but it's just been spaced out a little bit. So we've got counting in tens. How many red cubes are there? Let's count with me. There's 10. Let me show you. Put a circle. There's 10. Don't worry, Mr. Cooper won't mind me writing on the books because I can rub them out. There's 10. There's another 10. We're looking at groups of 10. And there's another group of 10. So we've got 10, 20, 30. 3 lots of 10. 3, there are 30 red cubes. Let's see if we can count in fives now. If I make groups of 5, I need to look at this. It's one group of 5 there. There's a group of 5. There's another 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 group of 5. And another group of 5. Let's count them in groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we get to the same number even though we've counted in 5s. How else can we count? It says to count in 2s. So we could make groups of 2. I'll show you just on this one, but I won't do it on it. Do you remember we've got our groups of 2 here? 2. There's another group of 2. There's another group of 2. There's another group and another. So I will just point to the other ones rather than draw them. So let's count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Still get the same number, even if we count in 10s, 5s or 2s. Now, question here is how many dots are in these pictures? What can we remember? We can remember that we've got a group of 10 here, a group of 10 here, and some left over. So we've got 10 there, we've got 10 there. How many dots here? 1, 2, 3. So it's almost like adding up a sum and adding them all together. So we've got 10 and 10 is 20, 2 10s are 20, and 3 is, there's our 20, there's our 3, so we've got 20 there, and a 3. We put them together and we've got 23. We could use our cards. We've got 20 and a 3. There's 2 lots of 10s, that's our 20 number. 20 and 3 makes 23. Let's count these. How many dots are here altogether? We've got 10, 10, 10 and 10. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 10. What's 4 lots of 10? Can you shout out the answer? Well done. It's 40. 10, let's check. 20, 30, 40. So we've got 40 dots, and 40 is 4 lots of 10 and 0 ones 40. What about in here? Let's see how many are here together. We've got 10, 10, 10 and some dots. Now we've got a line here. How many did we say were in that line? Can you remember? How many were in each of these lines? That's right, 5. So we've got 5 there. We don't even need to count them. We've got 5 and 1. 5 and 1 makes 6, so we've got 6. So we've got 10, 20, 30 and 6. We've got 36 dots, and we can show that with the cards. There's our 10, 3 lots of 10. And there's our 6 ones, 36. Okay, good listening, Year 1. Let's have a go at worksheet 2, pages 5 and 6. Have fun.